I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making network and device basics match. Both your Android and the TV must be on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, make sure the TV's cast receiver is active or a Chromecast is plugged into HDMI and powered. Now on your phone, pull down Quick Settings or open Google Home. You're initiating the session here. You do this because direct local casting reduces lag and avoids routing through cloud servers, so you get responsive mirroring. You tap Cast or Screencast and select the TV device listed. This creates a peer connection and streams your screen. While connecting, make sure to tweak TV settings, switch to game or low latency mode if available, to reduce input lag. Also, close heavy background apps on Android and enable Do Not Disturb to stop notifications from interrupting the feed. These steps improve bandwidth and responsiveness, which matters for video and interactive apps. So your mirrored content, you finish by stopping the cast from Quick Settings or the Google Home app. That cleanly closes the session and avoids lingering processes. If you hit choppy audio or stuttering, restart your router, phone, and TV in that order and try switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for more stable throughput. Also, remember some protected content won't mirror. In those cases, use the app on the TV or an HDMI cable. This troubleshooting tip solves most connectivity and playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.